Hey guys, it's Ashley with the rental shop. Just wanted to do this video here. This is in the coastal dune lakes. We have, I think, 16 in the area, but there's a few that are a little more popular than others. But if you want to go kayaking and paddleboarding, you don't have to just go to the beach. We can deliver here to the coastal dune lakes, and it also connects to the ocean. It just depends on the day because this lake is changing constantly. So sometimes it's like a stream going into the ocean, sometimes it's a lake or river. It just kind of looks different all the time. And then there's times it's closed off and you might just pick up your kayak and drag it over the sand for a short little bit, and then other times it's a little bit more. It just depends. But see, this water is really shallow right here, and then it gets a little bit deeper there, and that's where we came in through this little area. There's all these dunes. And then over here is Grayton. You can see those houses. And the ocean is, you would go that way. So basically what you do is you would keep going out here and it would open up into a bigger lake, and you would turn around this bend and go left. And then you would go through this other little cove, little area, and it goes towards the ocean. It's a really cool place to paddle. So if you want to, do something that's a little bit unique, check it out. And remember, we do fast delivery. We have custom trailers, so we get things delivered quickly. And we're the only company in the area that we're actually the perception dealer. So you're always going to get the best kayaks, brand new every year. We don't cut corners. We don't buy anything off Craigslist. I don't buy stuff from the big box stores like kayaks and paddleboards or something. We want to be very high quality. So we're one of the only companies in the area that actually have the built-in seats. I think sometimes people might put something on their website that's maybe they put a nice picture on their website but they don't deliver it. With our company, what you see is exactly what you will get. We have different color kayaks, but these are the Perception Tribes. They're the best sit on top kayak. Built-in seats. Most rental kayaks don't have any seats, and if they do have a seat, it's a clip-in seat. So basically the clip-in seat is kind of floppy. So when a company does a clip-in seat, so you would naturally be sitting up against this uncomfortable plastic if there's no seat. And then right here, these pad eyes is where they would clip in like a, an external seat. And that's really not very comfortable. So these are actually drilled into the kayak. They're super comfortable. And if you look, they go up and down. So they go like that. And then they have side carry handles. Sorry, I've got 4 kids. They've got side carry handles right here. So super convenient to grab from the side. And then they have front and rear carry handles. And then right here, there's a seat in the middle for a little one. And then you got the cargo area for the front and the back. So you can put, stuff there, but there's that, the handles. Anyways, these also track really well in the water. So when you paddle, they don't shift left and right. That's another nice thing about the design of these kayaks. So I hope you'll choose our company. We try to have very nice standards, and we appreciate your business. Thank you so much.